Did you hand the child over to him today? Here. What's kinda?
On August 6th, 2022, this mom leaves her child unattended, then tried to blame her non-existent husband.
I found a little boy roaming in the parking lot, screamed hello like 5 times. And you would think somebody come outside to look for him. I'm not sure if he walked for father because nobody coming out looking for him.
Okay.
Then I seen him running over there, so I was like, okay, maybe he running to his mom or somebody.
Okay. How long have you known that he was like out here? Like, was it right around the time you called?
About 15 minutes or so, about 15 minutes, and I keep screaming like, hello, somebody lost their child or something.
Okay.
Nobody won't like respond. Me and this lady, we lived out here for a while, I never saw him.
Okay. What's up, man? What's your name? Okay, listen, I'm gonna put this badge on you, okay? I'm gonna make you a police officer right now, okay? You gotta help me out. We gotta find your mommy. Can we walk and find out where your mom is at? Okay. Yeah, we'll walk around for a little bit.
Just walk around, call the office.
No, Mommy's over the moon.
Over the moon?
Yeah, I'm over the moon.
Over the moon. We'll walk around and we'll start knocking on doors.
Yeah.
And...
What direction did you see him coming from?
Well, when
He
I
was just
came,
over there?
he came from that and running across. So I said maybe he, with
Oh, like on the other side?
yeah. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start at 7-8.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Let's go walk and knock.
My
You
mommy,
thirsty? Where you think your mama's at?
my mommy's over the teacher.
She's a teacher?
Yeah, she's a teacher. Look, that's a playground.
Yeah.
A playground.
What's up, buddy?
From back here.
I went to the playground.
You went to the playground?
To the playground, but which way did you come from?
26.
Mommy's over there on the moon.
You keep saying mommy's over here on the moon.
I went to the stairs.
Did you come
went to-
downstairs? Did you come down to go to the playground?
Yeah, I come down and go to the playground and the slide and the blue slide.
Okay. Who are you at home with? Mommy? Is mommy in the house?
Over that corner. Mommy's over the lake.
She's over the lake?
No, it's not over the lake.
Okay.
But look, that's a water.
Yeah.
A waterfall.
Okay. Where do you go to sleep at night? Where's your room at?
I go to bed.
Where's your bed at?
I went to West Palm Beach.
We're in West Palm.
I went to the playground.
Okay.
Over here.
Okay. No, not yet. I'm gonna start knocking on the door. Hey, how you doing? You all didn't lose a kid, did you? Okay. Have you ever seen this little guy running around? Okay. All right. Thank you.
How you doing? Do you have a child? Hi. How you doing? Are you missing a child? A little child? A little boy? No? All right, sweetheart.
Okay, thank you so much.
They all answered upstairs?
Yeah, nobody recognized me.
I checked.
So I'm gonna start over here.
Palm Beach Police Department. Do you know where your son is?
He's with his dad.
Well, we believe that we have your son here, and he was outside by himself. Can you give me dad's info so that we can get him to his parent? Actually, I'm gonna try to send you a picture of this little boy, and can you tell me if this is your son or not? He's about 3 years old, saying his first name is Liam.
Yeah, that's his last name.
Well, we don't know if he didn't tell us his last name. We found your basically your son's name in a database, in our records database. I'm gonna let you speak to this child to see if you recognize the voice.
Okay.
Is he in the back? I could possibly have mom on the phone, so I'm gonna let her speak to him. Can you talk to? Is this mommy?
Ma'am?
Is that mommy?
Hi, my baby. What's wrong?
He's not speaking. So does that sound like your son, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So can you provide me with the phone number so that we can get dad and have him come so he can have the child?
I don't have his phone number.
Okay. How do you all communicate?
We just communicate.
Okay. How?
Who does she stay with over here?
She's saying the father doesn't live here. Ma'am, are you in the city of West Palm Beach right now? Can you come get your child?
Sure.
Okay.
Where are you at?
When's the last time you had the child, ma'am?
Today.
Okay. And you gave him to the father at what time?
7.
Around 7 p.m. or 7 a.m.?
7 p.m.
Have you left your hotel or are you still there?
No, I'm still here.
Okay.
I've only only been here for a couple of hours.
Okay.
Hi.
How you doing? We called about your child?
Yeah.
Your child that's missing? Did you know that he was missing?
No, because
He's supposed to be with his dad. Do you know where we found him?
well, they said Malibu Bay.
Okay. Where is your room?
Right here.
Okay. Who is in there with you?
Nobody's in there.
Thank you.
So you're here with who?
Well, it's me and my son, but he's supposed to be with his dad.
You just said that you and your son were.
Yeah, we came here and he's supposed to be with his dad.
You just said the room is for you and your dad, or I'm sorry, for you and your son. But then you dropped your son off to the father.
Yeah.
Where'd you drop the? You dropped him off here. Okay. Where is Andy at now?
I don't know.
If you don't mind me asking, how did you communicate with Dad to facilitate that meeting today? I'm gonna get a Miranda card, Sergeant.
Do you have any other kids?
Yeah.
Where are they?
I have another son, but he's with my uncle.
Where do you actually live?
I live on
Why do you have a room right down the street? To get away from what?
just to get away and just relax.
He's just going to ask you some more questions, but before we turn the child back over to you, we're going to have to make sure everything is good here with, we're going to have to check your room, we're going to have to check your car and everything. Okay.
All right. So first, I'm gonna read this. This is a Miranda warnings, okay? I am required to warn you before you make any statements that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Any statement can and may be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand? All right. So you understand? I'm asking you these questions, and I've been on the phone with you. It was me that you were speaking to. I've been on the phone with you because I'm trying to assess. Because as of right now, I'm concerned for the well-being of the child. Let's start from the beginning. Everything all the way up to now. So you woke up at 7 a.m. And where did you wake up? Where did you sleep last night?
It was at another hotel.
So are you currently just living from hotel to hotel right now?
I've just been just trying to get away.
Okay, understandable. Who do you currently live with?
My uncle.
Your uncle. Where is that?
I'm not sure because
I can't hear you, man.
I'm not sure
You're not sure what?
where he is exactly.
No. Where were you staying today? You said this morning you woke up at your uncle's residence. Where is that?
No, I didn't wake up there.
Well, you said at another hotel.
Yeah.
My apologies. But you currently live with your uncle.
Yeah.
Okay, where?
Do I have to tell you the address?
This is also that I can understand and so that we can know if this happens again, where we can come and find you so that we can give you the child.
It won't happen again.
Sure.
I just don't feel comfortable. You say I don't have to answer certain questions.
But this is the thing, man. So nothing is really making sense right now. Basically, your explanation of how things happen. We understand things happen, okay? However, when somebody is being very evasive when we're trying to help them, it looks bad, very bad, especially when it involves a child. So I'm just trying to basically get your side so that I can understand why it is we got involved today and why it is that, Liam is outside by himself, doesn't know where he is. Okay, he's supposed to be with his dad. Is there like a court order or anything like that?
No.
Okay, how do you all often communicate? By phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Something like that.
Okay, I don't understand why you're uneasy right now. I'm giving you the opportunity. I'm just trying to listen. I can understand if you were in handcuffs or something. Then, yeah, of course, it's a reason to be uncomfortable. You're in handcuffs, but that's not the case. I just need your side of the story so that I can document in my report that's gonna go to DCF why this unfortunate event happened. Just please explain. I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
He is supposed to be with his dad. I don't know.
Okay, tell me about that. How is he supposed to be with his dad? So you called him today? Did he call you?
Something like that.
What is something like that? Explain it. Did he call you or did you call him?
It wasn't really like just not really text me. It's kind of like text me. I don't know.
I don't understand. It was kind of text message, but it wasn't text message.
Something like that.
So what is it? Huh?
What you saying?
Your phone. It's on. Right?
Yeah.
Because I called you.
Yes.
So I know you can accept calls. And you can call. Okay. So is that what happened today? With the father or what? Or did he call you? Or did he text you?
It was like something like that, but it was like more something.
I can't hear you.
It was something like that.
Okay, so it was more so through people. Okay, what people?
Godly people.
What?
Godly people.
More so through godly people? Who are some godly people? Like me? Did you speak directly to the father today?
Somewhat.
Somewhat. It's a yes or no. Did you see the father today? Did you see him today? Did you hand the child over to him today? What's kinda? Can I have his phone number so that I can call him? When's the last time you spoke to him?
I deleted it.
You deleted it? Can you show me your call log then?
Do I have to show you?
You don't have to. I'm just asking. So step out. I want to talk to you. Thank you. Let's put this up.
916.
Turn around.
Dinner detail.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest, okay? Put your hands together like you're praying. Under arrest, okay?
Why?
Have you ever heard of child neglect?
Yeah, but I didn't neglect my child.
Do you know what that means? Can you explain what child neglect is?
When you don't take care of your kids.
All right, walk with me. Keep walking. See the 911? Stand right in front of the 911.
Where is his father? His father's Andy, is that right? Or is it Herbert?
Well,
What?
Herbert is his biological father.
What do you think we meant by father when we asked you that question before? Who's in Connecticut?
Like who's there, who's around him.
Who is his father? It's not a trick question, unless you don't know.
His
Who is his biological chromosome father?
Herbert.
He is where?
He's in another state.
Okay, so who were you supposed to, that you told us you dropped your child off to? You said Andy? Is Andy a boyfriend?
Well, husband.
He's your husband? Where's his number in here?
I deleted it.
You deleted your husband's phone number?
Yes.
Well, you surely must know it by heart.
She said they spoke on the phone today, so it should be on the call log.
Which one is his number?
I deleted it.
You deleted Andy, who is not the biological father, but he's somebody that you were supposed to drop your son off to. This guy doesn't exist. According to us, this guy doesn't exist. You know his full name, or did you delete that too?
No, I know his full name.
What's his full name?
Andy.
And where does he live?
I'm not sure.
You don't know you don't know anything about him. Can you look up what she's talking about, maybe?
Thank you. All right. Have a seat, man.
Hey,
okay.
Something's going on. Check it.
Okay.
Are you Laurel?
Yes.
How you doing? Sergeant Getz, West Palm Beach Police Department.
Okay. The baby's okay though.
We have the baby.
Okay.
So we get a call in this complex right over here.
Okay.
I don't know if you're really familiar with this area.
Florida. I moved to Florida like 2 years ago because of her. She has been going through. Last year, I think West Palm Beach got put her in the hospital. She has been staying with me ever since DCF, but she's been having this stuff in her head from the other day.
How long ago is this?
Last week. So I told her that this is a very serious statement that could get somebody in trouble. So she
Did she report this to DCF?
I'm not sure. That's her son right there, older son.
The 15-year-old?
Yeah.
Okay.
She just left, and I told her because she left him. He's been staying with me still. Said she's gonna go to a hotel. I said you don't need to go to a hotel. You need to go get yourself a job and get you a place.
Yeah.
And she hasn't been home for the last 4 days.
I mean, she put him out. Oh, just stay over here around the corner. That's what she told him. He wandered into that complex. There's a canal.
Yeah.
You could see the busy road. You know, anybody could have scooped him up. But he was walking. Somebody found him and said, hey, this 3-year-old's walking by himself. So we've been knocking on doors for hours over here. And she's giving us weird statements about how I dropped him off to his father, Andy. And I'm like,
Andy.
Then she finally comes clean. She's like, yeah, Herbert's in Connecticut or whatever. And we're like, who's Andy? And she doesn't have his phone number. She can't tell us where he lives. And so, is that true?
No, there's no Andy. She lives with me.
How you doing?
I'm
So you're a sister?
Yeah. Where is he?
He actually got taken to McDonald's by the other officer because he was hungry. He's coming back.
Oh my God.
He's coming back. She's being arrested tonight for child neglect. Okay. Basically, the kid was wandering for hours right over here.
Hours?
Yeah, and she's incoherent with, we don't know what's going on. She's telling us the truth. She's telling us some lies, but if you're willing to take the child.
Yeah.
Do we know who Andy is? That's who she was saying the father or something like that.
The father is Herbert.
She said the father name is Andy.
Yes.
What the hell?
Yeah, she just gave us a different name. Okay, I just wanted to confirm that. Thank you very much.
They're just checking your history now. We just have to do it just before we release them to you. But
fine.
DCF will make contact with you all within 4 hours, so you'll probably see us again because we'll have to go with them for the intake.
We know
Took him to McDonald's, got him something to eat. He doesn't have any like complaint of pain or anything like that. He's just ready to lay down.
Okay.
So.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.